Hi there. Let's take a look at how to find out who are your assigned advisors. So you can see on the screen, I'm at the Madison College homepage. That's the first place you need to go. And then kind of near the top, you need to click on the link for current students. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one and advance. Then we got to scroll down a little bit until we see the link for My Madison College. Go ahead and click that one. At that page, you need to actually scroll past the first login. Don't click that one. Keep going until you find the one that says log into the new portal. So that's what you're looking for, the new portal, and click that. I'm going to go ahead and click that and then get logged in. So you're going to use your regular old Madison College username and password after you click that link. I'm going to go ahead and get logged in and then we'll resume. All right, we're back. So I'm logged in and I'm looking at what's called the Student Center. On this screen, I just need to slide it over a little bit here. On this screen, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. It's on the right-hand side, and you're looking for a section called Advisor. And there we have it. So there's a section called Advisor, and underneath that is Program Advisor. And most students will have two advisors. So one of them is going to be your college advisor, or what we call an academic advisor. And that person is going to be your expert on all of the college-y things that have to get done. So transcripts, prerequisites, placement tests, financial aid issues, all that kind of college-y stuff. That's your academic advisor. The other advisor is someone like me. I'm a faculty advisor. So you'll have a college advisor and you'll have a faculty advisor. And your faculty advisor is someone who's there to help you get through your program. So as a faculty advisor, I know everything about the education pre-major, the courses that you have to take, sort of what to think about as you're getting ready to transfer and stuff like that. So we work in conjunction. There's two of us, and we work together as a team to help give you that support. But we each have our area of specialty. So you can contact whatever name you have on your list and ask that question. That person might have to hand it off to the other advisor, but because they work together, you can contact either advisor and get the help that you need. Now, if you don't see an advisor's name or if you have any questions about that, you're welcome to email me at any time and I can help get you set up with the right person.